Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2013 Ford Edge. With less than 250,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This stylish, versatile Edge delivers comfort, confidence, and capability. Its spacious, refined cabin, smart tech, sophisticated style, and many convenience features make it ideal for everything from the daily commute to epic family road trips. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated mirrors, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, power driver seat, alarm, electronic stability control, rear spoiler. See how luxurious sporty can be. Take this sleek Edge out for a road test. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.